Okay guys, now I am going to solve the Leetcode number 53 maximum subarray. So here they given an integer array of nums. Find the subarray with the largest sum. So in this given array, the largest subarray is 412 minus 1. So which has the largest value of sum is 6. Okay, now I am going to solve this. For int I is equals to 0, I is less than, okay, I'm going to change it as a dot length I plus plus, and if a of I is less than 0, then I'm going to do the max as 0, max value as 0, or else then I'm going to s is equals to s plus a of I. I'm going to sum it and I'm going to find the max value. Also math dot max of d comma s return d. So finally we have completed this code. I will see whether it works or not. D is equals to integer dot min value m is 0. Sorry, this is right. I want to sum it. Let's run this code. So only one test case has been passed. Remaining test cases has been failed. Okay, where is the error? So dot length I plus plus if I of I is less than 0, then I am going to do the sum as 0. Sorry, if s is less than 0, then I am going to do sum as 0. Find the minimum element. Okay, now I am going to submit. I don't think it works because if the first input is negative value. Oh. Okay guys, successfully we have completed the code.